In my view, it's impossible to talk about wildlife, and not think about its role in livelihood. And I guess part of that is my own view shaped in the research that I do in Africa. In most East and West Africa, I look around, all the humans rely on wildlife as the source of food, and also the source of income. And when we talk about our wildlife, it seems we talk about fish, but we are actually talking about, what probably the single most important source of protein for human, that across the globe. And, so, billions of, or more than a billion of people rely on fish, as their primary source of animal protein, and most of these people are living in poverty. So the management of fish resource and wildlife, in that sense, is incredibly important to livelihoods and health. And also, wildlife tourism is the multiple-billion-dollar industry, and in many places, such as Africa, South America, it can be the #1 source of personal income, and that of foreign income for economies.